So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your Xbox game bar is opening again and again inside your games. Now, in order to fix that, just simply open the settings of your Windows. Inside the settings here, you need to go to the option of or just simply search for the game bar on the top search panel. Once you search it at the game bar, just simply hit enter, and here you'll see this option of allow your controller to open the game bar, or just simply turn this option all these options off. Once you do it, you'll notice your game bar will not open again, even with your controller that you use inside the game or with the keyboard as well. You can just simply turn both of these options off and you'll find that your game bar will not open again by mistake.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.